In today's bridge course classes, we study the topic motion. We observe different types of objects or bodies around us. Some of them are at rest for us and some of them are in motion. For instance, trees, houses, stone, rock are at rest while air, flying birds, moving animals, moving cars are in motion. The study of motion of objects or bodies is very important to us. Motion of an object is defined as the change in its position with time. In this topic, we discuss the motion of objects along a straight line. Such motion of objects is known as rectilinear motion. The study of motion of objects or bodies without knowing the cause of motion is called kinematics. It is also one of the branch of physics in which we deal with the study of the motion of bodies without taking the cause of the motion in the bodies. In physics, motion is the phenomena in which an object changes its position over time. Motion is mathematically described in terms of displacement, distance, velocity, acceleration, speed, and time. So first we discuss distance and displacement. As you can see in the diagram, distance is nothing but if a body moves from a point A to point D, then the total length of the curved path ABCD, which is shown by the red color, is called the distance moved by the body, where distance is nothing but the total path covered by a body, and the displacement is the actual distance moved by a body from a point A toward point D in a straight line, and that is indicated by dashed color of blue. That is, displacement is nothing but the shortest distance between the initial position and final position, where A becomes your initial position and D becomes your final position. If body travels a path ABCD and returns back to point A after taking another path DA, which is shown by the green color, then the total distance travelled by the body will be the length of the path ABCDA. However, its displacement becomes 0 because the initial and final position are the same. The difference between distance and displacement. Distance is nothing but the length of the path travelled by a body while moving from an initial position to a final position, whereas displacement is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position of the body. Distance is a scalar quantity which is having only magnitude, and displacement is a vector quantity which is having magnitude as well as direction. Distance measured is always positive. Displacement can be positive or negative depending on the reference point. The total distance covered is equal to the algebraic sum of all the distance travelled in different direction. In the displacement, the net displacement is the vector sum of the individual displacement in different directions. There is always a distance covered whenever there is a motion. Displacement will be zero if the body comes back to its initial position. And the distance is measured in meter, and the displacement can also be measured in meter. After taking the concept of distance and displacement, now we have to move on to the what is velocity. The velocity of an object is defined as the displacement covered by a body per unit time in a particular direction, and the velocity is usually denoted by v. So mathematically, velocity can be written as displacement divided by time, where v is equals to d by t. Velocity dimensions are v is equals to L t raised to -1. So what is the difference between speed and velocity? Speed is simply how fast you are traveling. As you can see in the figure, the first car is traveling at a speed of 20 meters per second. It shows only speed. Velocity is speed in a given direction. In the second figure of the car, you can see this car is traveling at a velocity of 20 meters per second with a particular direction. That direction is given by east. So this becomes speed with direction becomes velocity. Speed is the distance covered in per unit time. Mathematically, the formula of speed becomes speed is equals to distance divided by time. This car speed is 60 km per hour. But velocity is the distance travelled in a unit time in a given direction. Velocity is equals to displacement divided by time. The car has a velocity of 60 km per hour to the west direction. The difference between speed and velocity. Speed, it is the distance covered by the body per unit time, whereas velocity is the displacement of the body per unit time. Speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. The average speed of a moving body can never be zero, but in the velocity, the average velocity of a moving body can be zero when the displacement becomes zero. Speed gives an idea about rapidity of motion of body, whereas velocity gives an idea about rapidity as well as position of body in motion. Speed of a moving body can never be negative, but velocity of a moving body can be positive, negative or zero, which depends upon the point of reference. Acceleration. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity with the change in time. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means a quantity which is having magnitude as well as direction. In other words, when the velocity of any body or object changes, that body is said to be accelerating. Thus, the mathematical formula of acceleration is A is equals to Vf minus Vi whole divided by t, where A stands for the acceleration and Vf stands for the final velocity of the body minus Vi stands for the initial velocity of the body divided by the total time taken for change its velocity, and acceleration is measured in meter per second square. You can see the various images regarding the acceleration. In the first case, I am accelerating because I am speeding up. In the second case, I am accelerating because I am slowing down. In the third case, I am accelerating because I am changing the direction. The types of acceleration. There are three types of acceleration. The first is increasing speed, can be taken as accelerating. Decreasing speed can be taken as deceleration. It is also called the negative acceleration. The third type of the acceleration is the changing direction, that is turning. In the types of acceleration, the first one is taken as positive acceleration. If the velocity of an object increases with time in direction of motion of the object, then the acceleration of the body is known as positive acceleration. For example, a car pick up the speed in a particular direction. It is denoted by A, where A stands for the acceleration. In the positive acceleration, the final velocity of the object is always greater than the initial velocity of the object. In the negative acceleration or retardation is defined as when the velocity of an object decreases with time, then the acceleration of the object is known as deceleration. The direction of negative acceleration is in a direction opposite to the direction of motion. It is written as minus of A. Example, if an object moving with certain velocity is brought to rest is the example for negative acceleration. In the negative acceleration, the final velocity of an object is always less than the initial velocity of the object. Acceleration without changing speed. When an object moves in a circular path with constant speed, then its velocity changes due to the change in direction of motion of the object. So these are the three types of acceleration: positive acceleration, negative acceleration, and acceleration without changing speed. All these acceleration are measured in meter per second square.